Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can create a CTA box for your WordPress website. For this, I need to install a plugin. I am going to plugin section. After that, search here with Affiliate X. This is the plugin Affiliate X Amazon Affiliate plugin. I already installed this plugin, that's why it's showing active. For your website, you have to install and activate this plugin first. Now I am going to all post section. I want to add this CTA box on this blog post. I am opening this blog post. After this headline, vitamins and minerals, I want to add the CTA box. I am giving enter and I am clicking on this plus icon. After that, search here with CTA. Then you will find affiliate X call to action block. Select this. This is the CTA. It's already displaying here. Save it. If I view the post, you see this box is already displaying. Now I will guide how you can customize this box as per your need. Firstly, you have to click on this block. After that, you will find this icon above this box. Just click there, then come to the right side. Here it's showing the block. Click on this block and below you will find the customization option. I am going one by one. First option is layout settings. If I open these settings, firstly I will get layout 1. It's by default. If I click on this right side arrow icon, I will find another option that name is layout 2. I am selecting it. In left side it will display title, text and button, and in the right side you can add your product or any custom images. But for this function you have to purchase this plugin. This function is not available on free version. So I am going to select back to layout 1. Next option is alignment. If you want to keep those things align left, you have to select on this align left option, or align right. If you want, you can select it, but align center is the perfect, I think. So I have selected it, align center. Next option is general settings. I am opening this general settings. Inside the general settings, first option is enable buttons. For example, you are not looking to add the button here. That time you can disable the buttons, then no button will display here. I am going to enable this button, and next option is enable button 2. I mean, you want to enable two button. It's displaying two button together. If you don't want two button together, then just disable. It will display only one button. Again, I am enabling two button option. And next option is heading. And this heading means inside this box first headline. By default, they mark it as H2. If you wish, you can mark it as H3, H4, 5, 6 or paragraph as you need. And come to the next option is the border. And right side is showing the border color, and here is the border type. Let's see if I change this color to the blue color, then how it looks like. It's showing this border color. Okay, and if I change the border style, if I click here, there has lots of different style. If I want to select this one, it will display like this one, or this, it will display like this. You can select any one. And next option is border width. You can change the border width for top, right, bottom, left separately. For example, I want border width for top is 10 pixel and for the bottom also 10 pixel. Then I can do it like this. Or if I want to make right border 5 pixel and left border 5 pixel, I can do it like this. You can customize it as per your need. Next option is border radius. By default, they gave 8 all of the four side. If you wish, you can customize box shadow. They gave initial color for the box shadow. Still, you can change. And content alignment, it's on center. You can make it align left by clicking here, or you can make it align right. Even for the button, you can make align left, align center, and align right. Next option is color option. If I open it, there has an option for title color and text color. So title, it's like if I change it, it will display here. For text color, if I click, and I can change the text color also. Next option is background color. Here has two types of option. If you want to give the background as a color, you can select, or you can add a image on the background. For example, if I add a image, you will understand perfectly. I have selected that image. Now this background color is image. But if you don't like it, you can remove the image and you can use the color. And if I come to the color section, I can change the color. I can make it like this, or you can use your own custom color. Next option is typography. If I open this, you can change the font family from here. If I click here, you see here it's showing font size, it's default 18 pixel, and line height is 1.5. Letter spacing, there is no letter spacing. You can customize all of the option. Next option is spacing. If I open this spacing option, by default they gave a padding for top, right, bottom, left. You can customize it for your desktop, tablet, or mobile. And next option is margin. You can add the margin top, right, bottom. They already gave 30 pixel bottom. If you wish, you can increase or decrease even on the left side also. And final option is advanced. If I open this, then you can add CSS class name here. For the more customization, you can use this function. I am giving the save. After that, at the front end, I am giving a refresh. It looks like this. Buy now button and more details button if you want to customize. Very simple. Just click here, give a double click, and write your text. It will display here. Next option, if you want to add hyperlink for this button, anyone, you can select that text and click on this link option and paste or write your link here. Click on this submit icon, then link will be here. And if you want to make this link customization, then just click on edit link. Here you will find open in a new tab. If you want to set, just give a tick sign here, set to no follow, set to sponsored. So which option you want to enable, just give a tick and save. And if you want to change the text color from here, select it, click the right side, select on highlight. After that, select the color and text color will change. If you want to change this button background color, just click on this button and come to the right side. You will find the button settings. Just open these settings. If you want, you can paste your URL here also. It will work perfectly. You can make this button no follow, sponsored, download attributes, open in a new window from here also. And you can give the border radius for that button. For example, I am giving 10 pixel border radius for yellow color button. You see, button radius is going to change. This button, all four side has 10 pixel border radius, but this one don't have. If I select it, I can do it for this one also. Same way. If you want to change the button size, just come to the next option. Right now by default it's medium size. If you want to make it small size, just click large or XL. Anyone you can use. Button width, you can give flexible. By default it's flexible. You can make it fixed or full. So flexible is the best, cause as per your text size, button will be increase or decrease. Next is button alignment. By default, it's align left. You can make it align center or align right. Next is icon settings. By default, there is no icon, but if I enable it, a icon is displaying here and I can change this icon from here. Any one I can select from here. Next option is icon position. By default, it's left. If I make it right, then this icon will display on right side. Next, come to the button color. You can change the background color from here. You can change the background hover color from the below option. And next, the button typography, it's almost similar for the box typography. You can customize it, spacing, everything is similar. Just you have to concern about when which button you are customizing. Select that button and come to the right side, click on button settings. That button will change. After that, save. And if I give a refresh on the front end, this button is displaying. This button have the border radius and icon, but this one don't have, as I didn't give any icon or any border radius. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can easily add this CTA or call to action box for your WordPress website or affiliate website. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and publishing, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.